going on, everybody? Russ Lee here. I'm at Hazel Bazemore, trying to get some photos, some birds. Got some cool deer shots already this morning. I posted a video earlier. Let me see if I can flip this around here. Got my camera set up here. You see this fog up here? It's actually making for some very interesting photos. Waiting for some birds to come down here. You can hear the birds. What's up, Brian? Miss Shirley, good morning. Blaine. It's out here enjoying this foggy, beautiful morning. Trying to get some photos. Let me show you guys what I got so far. Let me see if it'll take the glare off of this, maybe. Maybe not. That's a deer. Let's see. Let me get to y'all. Let me get to this. Some deer shots this morning and take this off. I was just driving in. That's why I got the bollards and stuff there. I was just on my drive in. Wasn't even planning on getting no shots right there. Oh, that's last night. Let's see. There's a video of this, some does this morning. They're real active this morning, that's for sure. A couple of photos a minute ago, it's kind of dark on the screen to see it, but I'll go back to it in a second. Those, that shot I took, they were walking down into the grass, going down like into a trail down, you know, to go through the brushy area. And I caught one of them going down there and they looked back at me. It was pretty cool. Yeah, let me see that photo I'm speaking of. So that's when it first looked back at me, but it was going down into the, off the road. That one's hard to see, but there you go. You can see it looking back at me. See if I can get it to focus on that. Kinda. Sorry, it's a glare. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning. Spending my time off with some birds, some deer, breaking in my new lens. Anyway, alright, thought I'd just share some of this beautiful nature. You know, just get out and everyone should get out today if you can. If you're off, get out and enjoy it. You know, it's beautiful outside. But, alrighty, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna get off of here so I can get back to taking some photos.